friends, welcome to African Manufacturing's coverage of IMTEX 2023. I have with me Mr. Meyen, Managing Director of Oemeta India.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Pleasure. How many editions of IMTEX has been a part of? How has the experience been?
So far, this is our very first IMTEX. We have not so much focus on applications like this, but I'm impressed about the feedback which we experienced.
Can you guide us through the product lineup for the event?
So the product line, we are focusing on aerospace products this time very much, and of course we are promoting our latest developments like formula high laboratory, bioscience products, and this kind of product.
How is the Oemeta Group adopting digitalization and leadership of it?
So, Industry 4.0 is a very important topic for us. We are developing their tools in order to observe and control the coolant quality on-site, online. Of course, you can then sit in your office, see the coolant parameters, see what the situation on site in your tank, that you can easily react. So also the next step in this development would be an automatic dosing system, which is then automatically also giving the necessary additives into the coolant. That is what we are currently learning.
What are the products which are well-known in the Indian market?
The well-known product in the Indian market is, for instance, the so-called ICAP family, which is in use at some of your big two-wheeler manufacturers. And this ICAP family is very special since it is using renewable resources. And when I talk about renewable, the base is not a mineral oil, it's synthetic rape oil, for instance. And that is really something which we can say makes us different from
What should be the future plans for Oemeta India?
The future plans, of course, we would like to grow, and that's for sure. And we have a growth strategy. We are really actually in the process of hiring right now and really putting more foot on the ground in the first place.
Is there any added information you want to share?
As an added information is that Oemeta is not just delivering coolants. We are there also pretty much looking into sustainability of our products. Instead of having renewable products, we are reducing the carbon footprint. That is also something which we are working on very strongly. And I think that's so far.
So sustainability is the need of all companies that focus on sustainability. How is your company looking at it?
Our company is following the UN targets, and in that regard, so of course reducing the carbon footprint is a very important step. Of course, it's not that just we reduce our carbon footprint in our plant, but we are also helping customers to reduce theirs in order to reduce their waste, for instance, in order to reduce the consumption of mineral oil and so on and so forth.
Thank you so much for the interview. It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you very much.